How to back up data in Money Manager manually. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to manually back up your data in the Money Manager app so you never lose your important financial records. Let's get started. Launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Once you are in, tap on this More tab at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now here, scroll down and tap on Backup right here. Tap on Backup. Look for the option labeled Manual Backup or Device Backup. It's right here. Tap on it. Now here, tap on Backup. Right here, tap on it. And that's it. You have now manually backed up your Money Manager data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.